Access capricornca.com, log in with BP credentials, go to the dashboard and click the Sell DSC. After that, choose the type of DSC you wish to purchase from the product selection option. After selecting the individual DSC type, click the Buy Certificate tab. If you require token, you need to choose token, otherwise you can choose use USB token is not required. If you need assistant services, you need to choose it, otherwise you need to choose assistant services is not required. After that, fill in your details including your name, email ID, mobile number, address, and click on the Get OTP button. If you have a BP referral code, you need to mention in the BP referral code option. After that, enter the OTP received on your mobile number, select the term of services checkbox and I am not the robot captcha checkbox. After this process, you need to click on Continue to DSC enrollment button to proceed. After that, click on the pen-based option to proceed with your DSC application. Enter your name, date of birth and PAN number as per your PAN card and click Next to continue. After that, please fill in the required details with your eKYC ID and PIN. eKYC should be set according to the customer name with some number or letter to make it. eKYC PIN is a 6-digit that you can set according to your preference. Select the checkbox to accept the term of services and IVG. Click Submit to move forward. And you can mention Aadhaar number also. After that, you have to verify your email by following the promotes to complete the email verification process. You need to click on the Get OTP and you will receive the OTP on your email ID. Important note, According to CCIVJ guideline, the mobile number must be registered in the same name of the eKYC applicant and verified by CA through the services provided by telecom companies. If the eKYC applicant's name doesn't match with the registered mobile number name, the applicant cannot proceed with the PAN-based DSC and must be used different modes. You need to do telecom services provided verification in PAN-based DSC processing. After the telecom service provider verification, it will be displayed on your screen. After this process, you need to upload the passport size photo in your order ID, upload the required details like PAN card, and in address proof you can upload Aadhaar, voter ID, passport, driving license, etc. After that, you need to click on the next and click on start video recording to initiate video verification. The documents that you need to present during the video recording are listed on the video recording screen. Please ensure you have these documents ready before starting the recording. While recording your video, clearly state your name and the video code displayed on the screen. This helps in verifying your identity and linking the video to your application. You have to preview it by clicking on the play button and click on submit to complete the video recording confirmation. After that, click on continue to enrollment process to continue your DSC application. After that, you need to submit your application form. Once the application form is submitted, your order ID will be sent for verification. The verification will be conducted by Capricorn CA. Please wait for the process to be completed. After your order has been verified, you will need to finalize the payment for your order. Make sure to complete this step to ensure the processing of your digital signature certificate. Verification level 1 and verification level 2 will be approved by Capricorn CA. Now payment has been done. Once the payment is completed, a promote will appear. Click on Continue DSC enrollment to process to the next step. After the payment, you need to e-sign your subscriber agreement. As shown in the screen, need to click on the click here to login link to continue. Now you will need to log in using your eKYC credentials like eKYC ID and eKYC PIN. Upon logging in, your eKYC dashboard will open. Here you will see your order listed. Click on the form and agreement e-sign option to e-sign your subscriber agreement. Your subscriber agreement will now be signed electronically. This completes the e-sign process of your order ID. After signing the subscriber agreement, your order will be ready to download. You have to set your download key before downloading. You will be able to view your order ID, PIN code and download key on the screen. Thank you.